Going to be a super quick video about how to make playlists. I've got over 7,000 videos out there. In order to try to keep them somewhat organized, I make playlists. Each one of these playlists will hold sometimes up to several hundred videos on the same subject. And that way, if you want to look at something having to do with a Crosley hotshot, or building a deck, or constructing a metal garage, or building a rat rod, you just go to the playlist, you get everything you need. But how do you build a playlist? Well, let me show you. First of all, go to this little circle over here that has your picture in it. Click on that. Go to YouTube Studio. And when that comes up, over here it says videos. Click on that. Now these are all your videos. Now, let's say I want all the videos I have on this RV right here. I just did a brake job and I want to make videos about that. So what I'll do is, you'll notice the first word of each of these videos is 2005 Ford. So I'll just go up here and I'll type 2005, and this will pull up all the videos that start with 2005. It says there's 10 of them. So when I hit show all, I've got 10 videos on that 2005 Ford. If I hit this button right here, I've just selected all these videos. You see this little black check mark. And then I go add to playlist. Now in this case, I've already made a playlist that's called Brake Job for 2005 Ford E50. But if I had, highlighted some other type of video and I wanted to make a playlist about that, I would hit new playlist. I would write the name of the new playlist right here. Here it says visibility public, and I would hit create. Let's just make a playlist. I'm just going to call it www, which is not a real playlist, and I'll delete it later. Then I'm going to hit create, and then I'm going to hit save. Now this one's also checked, and I don't want that one to be checked. So as soon as I hit save, that's going to make that playlist, and it's going to be on my home channel. Now I'm not going to hit save. What I'll do instead is I'll go back to my home channel, and I'll show you the playlist that I just made early this morning about the brake job. So here is my videos. I go to playlist here, and I come down here, and well, actually look, there is I actually did create a playlist that says www, which I didn't mean to do, and which I will delete. And I'm guessing there's nothing in that playlist because I didn't hit save. That's why you got this little gray thing here. Whereas this one that I actually did create this morning has 10 videos in it on the 2005 Ford. I hope that was helpful to you. Y'all have a nice day.